So hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Minecraft. Now you must be wondering why I'm playing Minecraft all of a sudden. And it's because a person commented on one of my videos that I should start playing Minecraft. And since I'd already been playing Minecraft, I thought I'd record it. So this is just a plain flat world of sandstone on which I'm going to have some redstone builds. So we all know how a piston works, and it's that when if there's a block over there, like right there, a sticky piston, if you activate it, it'll pull it back. But if you want to pull a block that's 2 blocks away from it, then you have to do this. Like you have to fire it in the perfect times like this and this. And then you fire this and then you fire this piston. And that makes a double piston extender. So now we're just going to use one button. So we're going to place it over here, and then we'll have redstone running out of it like this, and then we'll have a redstone repeater pointing into that piston, and then a redstone repeater there pointing into this redstone. And then I'm just going to reset the sandstone block, and I'll give an example of what it's going to do now. Just like that, it's pulled the block. Now we need to fire this piston. So that it's on the right time, we do it like this, and like this. We place 3 repeaters, then place some redstone dust. Now I'll just reset it and place the sticky piston over there. And then if I activate it, what you all will see is that it grabs that block and then it pulls the piston back. Now we need to activate the second piston again to pull the sandstone block back. So you set a repeater there and then right click it 2 times. And then you place the redstone dust behind it so it will work. Now just place those blocks back and place the sandstone block and activate it. So as you can see, it has worked. It pulled the sandstone block back to it. So now we're going to do a small twist to it and put some redstone repeaters. So first I'll keep this here like over here, and so this is actually just a redstone clock which will give on multiple pulses at intervals, so that will multiple times fire the pistons. So now I'll just fill in the gaps with the redstone, and then I'll give it a short pulse with a redstone torch. I'll first place the redstone dust, and then I'll get the redstone torches out, and just like so, you give it a short pulse. Now the pulse is gonna keep on cycling, and then I break the button, place redstone dust instead of it, and place a piece of redstone dust there. And then it will multiple times activate the piston extender, but it seems like there's a problem, and that I made the pulse a bit too fast. So I guess I'll slow it down a bit by just taking another redstone repeater and then placing it there. And then I've accidentally kept it on one click, so I'll just reset it and like there. Yep. So now I'll go check it again, and no, the pulse is too fast for the first piston, so it's not retracting at all. Okay, so now let's shrink it one more time, and oops. Now we'll have to restart the redstone clock just like so. And I'm just gonna resend signals to it, and let's just go check it out. And now as you can see it's a super fast double piston extender, and I think this should be one of the fastest double piston extenders now. Just look at it go. I mean, literally, it's so fast. And I'll just stop it again because I'm gonna change it up a bit. I'll make a hole there. I'll put some sandstone there, and then I'm gonna use this double piston extender to crush the most annoying mobs in the game. wandering villages or traders they're called. So I'll just take the spawn eggs and then spawn them in. So yep, and I'll just spawn them in. What's going on? Okay, it seems like my game is glitching out, so we'll just wait a bit. Yeah, let's wait a bit. And oh wow, they all spawned in together. Oh no, I have to quickly activate the double piston extender. Oh no, they're all escaping. Ah, okay. And right over there I place the redstone, and there it goes. Oh nice, he's on a killing streak. And all the wandering traders are not gonna be seen again. And just like that, they died. Okay, so now I'm just gonna have to disable this, and then I'll take out the whole part of it and reset it. Ooh, just like that, and that, and that. And I'll just place the sandstone blocks back in. And so that's gonna be about it for this video. So be sure to subscribe, and you can comment your ideas in the video, like what I should do next, like a double piston extender, a triple piston extender, or a 10-time piston extender. So I'm just gonna give you all another glimpse of this double piston extender and its work. And please share, like, and subscribe if you want to see more content from this channel. So that's gonna be it for this video. Just let me know if you want videos to do anything else. And that's it. Bye.